Then we have a long one. Oh, it fell over. Pick it up. Now we do a long one right here on top to hold it together. Okay? Wow. Tall tower. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's make another row. Ready? Let's put this on top. What color is this? Red. Okay. Oh, the wall came down. Pick up the wall. Oh, it came down again. I think we need to make it bigger on the bottom. Let's make it bigger on the bottom. So let's do this one and this one. We'll make a bigger bottom. And maybe it won't fall over so easily. Want to do more on this? What a two. You can find ones with twos or ones. You want to make it even bigger on the bottom? That's a good idea. Let's do that. You're right. Let's do even bigger on the bottom. Let's do this. Watch. Okay, that's one. Let's do another one. How do we do that? There's another little one underneath there.
What you building, Addie? What are you building?
So a short one we can go into here. Here we go. This is what I was looking for.
What you building?
Okay.
Yeah?
Now let's put it here.
Where's the blue block?
Let's put some here. Oh, that was too short. I need to do a tall one. Here's another one.
What you building, Addison? What are you building?
Yeah, we can.
What are you making?
Two.
Hmm? What's Bella making? Are you making a wall?
Oh, look, this is perfect. Here's another one. Now we need some more over here. We need more over here, too. Okay. There's a red one. And a blue one. Oh. Do we need more? Here. We need more over here.
Whoa, did it fall down?
I know what we need to do. We need to get this one taller.
No.
And this one taller so we can put something on top here. Oh, I got it now. I got it now. We connect them. Now they won't fall over. They're connected. I connected them, so now they're not going to fall over. Alright? So now we need to use up more. Can we use all the blocks?
What color do you have, Bella? What color?
No.
Can you say a color?
Put that one up here. Look at me. Put this here. And now we can touch. Can we touch these together? Wait.
What you making, Addie?
Is there a short one? I know what I have to do. Put this one here first. Oops, sorry. I need this one, I think, too. We can attach. Here, we'll take this off in just a minute. So we can put this on. Nope, we need a tall one. One more tall one. Then we can put this.
Is it hard?
Stay.
It's hard to put
Oh,
on?
that'll stay.
Oh, get it on there, Addie. Get it on there. Oh,
Okay, where should we put more?
wow.
Where do I put more? There, or do you want to do it over here?
What color is that? Is that red? You're not going to say your colors this morning, huh? Look at Auntie Beth's tower. Wow, Auntie Beth and Bella made a big tower. Big tower.
Put more here to hold this up. Is there any more little ones? Can you put one under there? Right here?